Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and online scam warnings. Today, we're checking out a hot new gadget that's been popping up everywhere, the Senna Smart Glasses. They claim to be premium POV recording glasses with true stealth mode, wireless audio, and professional quality video. But the question is, are they really that good, or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. The Senna Smart Glasses are promoted as next-generation eyewear that lets you record hands-free videos, listen to wireless audio, and stay connected, all while looking stylish. The company claims these glasses can capture professional quality POV footage with crystal clear sound and even have a stealth mode, so no one knows you're recording. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? But are these claims real or just smart marketing tricks? Here's what we found after researching multiple user reviews and unboxing videos. Yes, the design looks sleek and premium, and they do record video, but the video quality is nowhere near professional. Most users reported average resolution, especially in low light, and the audio recording often picks up too much background noise. As for the true stealth mode, it's not as secretive as advertised. The small light indicator still flashes while recording, which makes it easy to spot. Battery life? Around 45 to 60 minutes, not great for long recordings. And the wireless audio feature works, but the sound isn't impressive compared to standard Bluetooth earphones. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. Many Senna Smart Glasses are being sold on unknown websites that look suspiciously similar, often offering huge discounts and flashy ads claiming limited stock. Some customers report receiving cheap imitations, delayed shipping, or no tracking updates at all. And good luck reaching customer service. Many say it's non-existent. That's a big red flag for a possible dropshipping or scam setup. So, is the Senna Smart Glasses a premium gadget? Honestly, not really. While it looks cool and futuristic, the performance doesn't match the hype. If you want true POV recording glasses, go for trusted brands like Ray-Ban Meta or GoPro's POV options. They're more reliable and transparent about their features. My verdict, overhyped, not premium, and not worth your hard-earned money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we expose fake products and protect your wallet from online scams. See you in the next one. Stay alert, stay smart. Thank you.